Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can insert buttons into your apps on or in the Retool application or app builder. So let us guide you through this. Head over to your application project. I will go with this untitled app here. Next, what you want to do is select your page in the top left here by clicking into this button. Pages, select your page and position your button like this one here. You may customize the button, but first let me show you where you can find the component feature. So to find it, click into this Add User Interface button in the top left. You may use the search bar here and enter button, for example, but you will see it most likely under the commonly used section here. So click into the button, hold your left mouse and drag it onto your page of your app. And that is going to be button number 2, as you can see. Now, you may click into it, you may resize it. You may open up the properties here to the right, add a note, for example, change the text. So, I don't know, example button or something like that, and you will see the live changes here. Then you will see the accessible name, the interaction, then, for instance, other aspects like the appearance, the alignment of the text wrapping tool, the style, the spacing, and so on and so forth. And also the event handlers here, for example. So guys, that's it. Changes are saved automatically. That's how it works. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.